Hello, and welcome to the Chang Learning Center SHSAT Mathematics online learning course, Lesson 19, Anger Relationships. Today we'll begin class as we do each week with a review of last week's quiz. To the left is the data for SHSAT Quiz 18, which shows a good average of a 4. Most difficult questions for class, however, were questions 1 and 2. So we'll begin class today with a step-by-step review of solutions for questions 1 and 2 on quiz number 18. Here we go. To the left is a copy of quiz number 18, which you should have in your binder. In reviewing question number 1, was a question testing the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Question 2 was a review of unit rates of time measurement and your knowledge of 24 hours in a day. Okay. Question 1 was 7p times 3 minus 5q equals, which was an algebra question, and it was testing the distributive property. So starting with the expression as given, we're going to take 7p and we're going to multiply it into both terms. So we'll have 7p times 3 minus 7p times 5q. Grouping the coefficients and variables, we'll have 7 times 3p minus 7 times 5pq. Then expressing as a single integer, 7 times 3 is 21p minus 35pq. The correct answer was D, 21p minus 35pq. For question 2, we had, it will take Fernando 100 hours to completely thaw frozen turkey in the refrigerator. If he starts thawing the turkey at 9 a.m., at what time will the turkey be completely thawed? So, I guess refrigerators are kind of cool places as well, so it's going to take a long time for that frozen turkey to be thawed. This was testing algebra unit rates, your knowledge of their time measurement that 1 day is 24 hours. So starting at time 0, the time on the clock was 9 a.m., 1 day later, or 24 hours later, it'll be 9 a.m. again. Adding 48 hours, it will be 9 a.m. again 2 days later. Adding another 24 after 72 hours, it'll be the same time on the clock. Adding another 24 hours, after 96 hours, the turkey will be still frozen at 9 a.m. and we'll need 4 more hours. So adding 4 hours from 96 to 100 means adding 4 hours on the clock, which means 9, 10, 11, 12 noon, but then we repeat to the PM, the prime meridian, and we have 1 p.m. the turkey will be thawed. So the correct answer was C, 1 p.m. Well, class, now it's time for SHSAT quiz number 19. You will have 10 minutes for 5 practice questions. Please get a timer ready and set it for 10 minutes total time. If you can read the image of the quiz on the left for quiz 19, please start your timer and begin the quiz. Good luck. For those who are having trouble reading the text on the screen, I will now read each question one at a time to help you with quiz 19. Here we go. Question 1. What is the least integer greater than 31 divided by 3? Is it A, 10, B, 11, C, 12, D, 13, or E, 14? Question 2. W is a point that is not on line N. How many lines can be drawn through W that are perpendicular to line N? Is it A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D4, or E5? Question 3. Triangles RSU and TSU are similar triangles. What is the measure of angle SUR? The picture is not drawn to scale. In the frame of the cell provided, at the base of the frame, are vertices R, U, and T. Up above is vertex S. Angles RSU and angles UST are 35 degrees and 35 degrees. SU is the angle bisector. Is the correct answer for the measure of angle SUR A, 55 degrees, B, 70 degrees, C, 90 degrees, D, 110 degrees, or E, 180 degrees? Question 4. One side of a square lies on the x-axis of a coordinate system. The coordinates of one corner of the square are 2, 0, and the coordinates of another corner are 6, 0. What could be the coordinates of the third corner? Is it A, -4, 4, B, -2, -4, C, 0, 4, D, 2, -4, or E, 4, 0? Question 5. The volume of a pyramid with a square base is 40.5 cubic centimeters. The side length of the square base is 4.5 centimeters. What is the height of the pyramid? The formula provided is volume of pyramid equals 1/3 length times width times height. Please express your final answer as a number in the grid. This is a copy of the student ID bubble sheet for quiz 19. Remember to take your final answers in multiple choice and bubble them in, numbers 1 to 4, and also your grid and answer, place it in the cells above and bubble in the bubbles below as well. To the right, please write your student ID, which is your birth date, birth month, followed by birth day, and the code for first initial of your first name. So you should know your six-digit student ID provided to you by Chang Learning. Then please print the form and send it to the Chang Learning email, and we will process it and post the grades. If you are unable to print this copy, we will send a link on provided to you for the forms to be printed out. That's it for quiz number 19. Next, in SHSAT Lesson 19, we will begin our core lesson on angle relationships.